I got my hair done yesterday. Ooh, look at that. I wanted to go to the gym, but I'm so lazy. I think I will go later on in the afternoon or evening. We'll see. Don't mind me, guys. I'm currently sitting on the floor because I cannot find a better place to speak to you guys. Well, there's a lot of places I can sit and talk to you guys, but I just feel like the floor is more convenient. I'm starting this new vlog, so if you haven't watched the vlog that I just posted, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, you know, so far I have 3 vlogs out. I'm happy about that. This shirt keeps sagging downwards and I hate it so much because of this microphone. I will see you later. Hey guys, so I came back from the gym. I just took a shower, did my skincare, and now I'm gonna have lunch. Let me go eat. Mame cooked lunch, which it's not lunch because it's like 4 something or 5 something p.m. So basically that's like dinner. So we're gonna have dinner, stroke lunch, and then call it a day. I also have a vlog that I need to edit so that I can post it. So we'll see. That's my plan for the evening. Yeah. Anyway, this is our beloved Christmas tree. We have nowhere else to put it but here. This is like an extra bathroom, so I don't mind having this here. So you will be seeing this particular box in almost all my vlogs, if I will be doing some of them in the bathroom. Yeah, anyway guys, let me go eat. I'll catch you guys later. What did you say is this?
Papas con carne.
What?
Papas is potatoes in Spanish. Papas
Papas
con carne.
Papas con carne.
Carne is beef.
Ah, okay. So the chef himself made papas con carne. It's just basically potatoes and beef and carrots. And that's it.
Pepper.
Ah, you added pepper?
Pepper red and pepper green, no?
Oh, and bell peppers. Okay. I will have grapes, and this is ice cream. The only way I can have ice cream is if it's melted like this. And this is the ice cream that I'm having. Häagen-Dazs with caramel. Good morning, guys. Buenos dias. I just came back from the gym, as you guys have already seen. Took a shower, and now I want to have breakfast. Oh my god, if you see the weather, it's raining. Yesterday in the night, there was like thunderstorms. Things were flying here and there, like it's crazy, you know. But I'm just thankful to God that I'm not at work. I'm actually at home. So it can rain however it wants, you know, as long as I'm home, I am fine. If the weather allows us, we will go to the mall. Let me have breakfast and I will talk to you guys later. The sun is outside. I just finished having my cereals and they taste so good. So good. I love it. Love it. Anyway, I will continue chilling and relaxing. And then later on, like I said, we might go out depending with the weather. So let's see. Yeah. See you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, good afternoon. So I am currently making lunch, which is basically beef and rice. Anyway, let me continue making lunch. I will catch you guys up later. So tell us what
Hey
is.
guys,
Yes, please. We go round. Walk. What the gift? Hey guys, good evening. So we are finally back home. Oh my god, I am so tired and thirsty. Once I'm done doing this vlog, I'll definitely drink some water or juice or something to hydrate, you know. We went to the mall to get exactly what we were getting, and that is bed sheets, pillowcase. What else did we get? Diffuser. Oh my god, there was this one diffuser, guys. I'm in my diffuser era. So my man got me a diffuser and I love that. I put a new one today. I think I showed you. I cannot remember the flavor, but it's wood and something. Dry wood amber. This one smells amazing. Then we got Dunkin' Donuts. Guys, you cannot lie to me that there's donuts that taste good other than Dunkin' Donuts. So yeah, anyway guys, in the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Ciao.